In the Libyan Desert, there exists a place known as the Valley of Planets, where one can witness a remarkable phenomenon: living stones. These stones, called Travaganti in Italian, are a true geological marvel. They bear a striking resemblance to celestial bodies within our solar system, featuring rounded minerals devoid of any sharp protrusions or chips. With an average diameter of around 10 meters, these stones are an intriguing sight. The name living stones is intriguing, and it raises questions about their origin and presence in other mystical places, such as Europe. Reaching Wadi Kawakeb, or the Valley of Planets, is no easy feat. It is located in the desert, southwest of Libya, near the town of Khat. The journey through the heat and sand dunes is well worth it, as the area, spanning approximately 30 kilometers, is dotted with large stone spheres, creating a galaxy-like landscape. Similar round boulders can be found in various parts of the world, with Romania being home to a significant number of them. Some are nearly perfect spheres, while others appear as several stone bubbles fused together. These geological formations are known as Travaganti in Romania. In ancient times, these stones were used simply as construction materials or as tombstones. However, over time, tourists became increasingly fascinated by them. The Romanians quickly realized the potential for profit and gathered thousands of these stones in one place, creating a small natural park covering an area of about 1 hectare. This park is located near the town of Costești. In 2006, a museum opened, showcasing Travaganti of various shapes and sizes, ranging from a few centimeters to several meters. They exhibit both round and oval forms, and visitors can observe them and even purchase them as souvenirs. Travelers flock to this site in large numbers, drawn not only by the stone's strange shapes, but also by the belief that they are alive. Local folklore insists that these boulders are living entities, capable of growing, moving, and even reproducing. Romanians recount numerous stories to visitors, describing how monoliths almost double in size after rain and how they move from one place to another. Some tourists claim to feel warmth and vibrations emanating from the Travaganti, and a few even believe they possess a pulse, although this has not been scientifically proven. Despite these fascinating tales, the true nature of these stones is more mundane. The scientific name for Travaganti is concretions, and they are formed on the beds of ancient seas. Each concretion has a core, such as a piece of seaweed or a shell, around which sand and clay particles slowly accumulate over time, forming a spherical shape. According to another theory, concretions are formed deep within the earth as a result of powerful earthquakes, where sedimentary rocks are compressed under immense pressure into rounded figures. Over time, these concretions rise to the surface due to weathering, the movement of tectonic plates, and other natural processes. The sedimentary rocks that make up the concretions have excellent water absorption and retention properties. This explains why Travaganti indeed increases in size after rain, although not by the legendary factor of 2, but only slightly. During rainy periods, protrusions or bumps may appear on the stones, which travelers often interpret as the birth of a new stone. However, these phenomena are better explained by geological processes. As water accumulates within the concretion due to various physical processes, internal pressure builds up, eventually causing the stone to burst. The rings visible on the cross-section are due to the varying densities of the sedimentary rocks. Additionally, numerous cracks can be observed inside, formed by the impact of water, which cause the boulder to increase in size until it finally burst. As for the movement of Travaganti, experts offer 2 explanations. The first is the action of natural forces. The relief of any territory gradually changes over time, and due to their round shape, the concretions are not very stable. They slowly roll from one place to another. Again, this process is very slow, and stories of stones crossing fields in a single night are mere fiction. The second explanation for the movement of Travaganti is the uneven distribution of rock masses within the concretion during rain. One part of it swells more than the other, making it heavier and causing the sphere to move. This geological wonder can also be observed in Russia, specifically on Champ Island, part of the Joseph of France archipelago in the Arctic Ocean and belonging to the Arkhangelsk region. Some of the stone spheres there are simply gigantic, reaching 3 meters in height, as if mythical northern giants had played football with them and simply forgotten to put their swords away.